What it do, this your boy Shot Pimp ATL, as y'all can see. Just got off work, but I also been working on Big Red. So let me show y'all some updates I done did on Big Red. I told y'all about I'm coming this summer. Let me show you what I done did. Touchdown! Say hi to the people. Look, touchdown. Touchdown. Say hi to the hit team. Say, what's up, hit team? Alright, let me show y'all what I done did. See, my dog walked with me. He want to see too. Bam, we got a new license plate for the Oldsmobile Delta 88. Look at that, boy. Black on black on black. Black and red with that candy. Them diamonds. Yep. Also, I finally got my pipes did. Let me go on here. Might be a little dark. Let me see. Let me focus in here. Let's see. Let me see. Can I get down there? How about just stick my hand down in there? Alright, as y'all can see, we got some new pipes in there. Yeah. Y'all see a little chrome down there coming from the manifold. Yeah. That's new piping. She got new pipe. Yeah, but these manifolds gotta come off. Yes, sir. They old, but they'll do for now. But them about to come off. All this about to get freshened up. Yep. So we running dual exhaust. Dual exhaust flow master. We got 2.5 inch pipe. Let me see, can y'all see on this side? It's kind of hard on this side. But how about we go under the car? Yeah, let's go under. Let me show y'all. All right, let's get under. I'm gonna get dirty for y'all. There we go. Hold on. Take that off. Y'all can see the new piping. We got new piping. Yes, sir. Got them dual exhausts. Dual exhaust, baby. Got that dual 2-inch pipe all the way down, all the way down, all the way down until them 2 flow masters, as y'all can see. But there y'all go. Got them 2 flow masters right there. Yes, sir. Hey man, my guys did a good job. Yeah, I'll give y'all I'll show y'all the car in a minute. But yep. 2-inch pipe all the way down, double pipe from the headers. They did a real good job. Into them flow masters. Let me get up. Hey man, I'm getting dirty for y'all. And then we got them turn down pipes. Yes, sir. Y'all see them? Them turn down. I don't need no chrome tips. This thing sound good. Good. Yes, sir. Y'all see him. Alright. Y'all see him. Y'all wanna hear? I'm on the ground, baby. Y'all wanna hear that sound? Alright, let me get my ass off the ground. Y'all can hear how this sound. Yeah. Whew. Fat boy, gotta lose some weight. Crank this thing up for y'all, so y'all can hear how this thing sound with them new pipes. Peter Piper pick pepper, a run right rhyme. Humped the duck and fell down, and then hard times. But yeah, let me crank up for y'all. Y'all hold tight. Commercial break. She's alive! She's alive! Y'all hear that thing? Hold up. Wait a minute. Woo! How you say? Woo! She got a little grind to it, boy. Y'all better watch. Y'all better see me on the highway. My way. So them things sound, boy. Alright, that's enough, man. That thing ain't breathing. And that's just an old 350 rocket. Wait till I put that motor in here. Yeesh! That thing ain't gonna sound way deeper than that, but that's just an old 350. Let me show y'all. Old 350. Wait till I get it freshened up. Yeah. She got a little pooping, farting going on. Wait till I freshen up. Yes, sir. Alright, man, I just want to give y'all a little short update, man. Music coming soon. I ain't gonna be done to knock the block off yet, so we gotta get some music up in here. Yep, gotta get some music, so that's coming soon. And yeah, out with the old. And y'all see what I'm about to put in here. Y'all see what I'm about to put in here, man. Oh, let me show y'all these 4 cars, man. Hold on, let me turn this up. All that bop, 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 bop. Hold tight, let me show y'all these 4 cars who did the work. Now, if you are in, hold up. There you go. Now, if you are in Atlanta, I mean, if you want to come from Alabama, Carolina, wherever you want to come from, hey, man, they got to do a good job. Let's see, can I find this card? Oh, bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Here we go. All right, man. Man, been doing this over 23 years, man. He done did so many dual exhaust on cars, man. He said he can't even count. So, this man is the beast, man. But let me tell y'all something. He worked good. But he worked at his own pace. He worked at his own hours. So, y'all got to give him a call and catch him. See if you're up there. Schedule an appointment. Schedule an appointment. Just don't pop up on him. Schedule an appointment. And he will get you right. So, let me show y'all this, man. Did the car right here. Let me see, get closer. Yep, brake and muffler world. Here's the information. It's a little fuzzy. Wait. Focus. Well, y'all can zoom in. Y'all see it. Fred, the manager. Decatur, Georgia, 4918 covering the highway, Decatur, Georgia. He's that guy. Hey, man, focus. Yeah, there y'all go. Looks a little blurry, but y'all get the picture. Brake and muffler world. Here, take care. All right, man, that's a little short video, man, of the Big Red Delta 88. All right, man, I just want to tell y'all updates, man. I'm bringing y'all with me, man. Y'all getting these updates, man. All right, man, it's your boy Shawty Pimp, ATL, man, hitting them streets. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell a friend. We all win. More car shows coming up. I got you. But y'all on this venture with me with Big Red, Delta 88, 74 Delta 88, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. What I tell y'all all the time, stay up.